Hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare seafood okra. This is a very simple soup which you can prepare at home with just few ingredients. This is not the usual okra we'll be making. In this video I'll be making the healthiest form of okra soup. I won't be adding palm oil to this soup, but you can choose to add if you want a little bright color in your soup. Basically I'll be using seafood to make this soup. I have here some fresh fish. I'm using mackerel. You can use catfish, you can use any type of fish, and also I have here fresh shrimp and stockfish. Traditional ingredient, this is okpei, which I'll be using to add some flavor to this soup. I also have here some chopped ugwu. You can use spinach or any other vegetable. I'll be using fresh okra. Sure your okra is fresh just like this so that your soup will stay fresh after you've prepared this. And also I'll be using some chopped onions, ground crayfish, blended scotch bonnets, and some seasoning cubes. So you can choose to add other seafoods such as crab or clam or whatever seafood you have at hand. These are the few seafoods which I'll be working with, so let's get started. So into this pot I'll be adding in the stockfish. I'm going to cook the stockfish first because it's a little bit harder than other ingredients here. So once you've added the stockfish, add 1 cup of water to it and bring to a boil. Now the stockfish has been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm going to be adding in the fish which I've rinsed. So once you brought the fish into the pot, add some chopped onions into it, some pepper, a little salt, and 1 seasoning cube. Stir it a little bit so everything will combine. The fish is not going to cook for too long, so I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes. So now the fish has cooked for about 10 minutes. I'm going to be adding in the traditional ingredients. This is going to add lots of flavor to this soup. I'm also adding in crayfish. So I'm going to add a very little water to this soup. The quantity of water you add to this soup depends on the amount of okra you have. So I'm going to bring this to a boil. So right away, the soup is already boiling, so I'm going to be adding in 1 seasoning cube. You have to make sure you taste the soup before you add your seasoning cube so that your soup will not taste salty. Also, I'll be adding in pepper. You should be able to minimize the amount of pepper you add to your soup, especially if you are going to be serving this to kids. Now you can taste for salt and adjust if that's necessary. So I'll be adding in the shrimp. You don't have to overcook the shrimp. 5 minutes is enough for it to cook. If you overcook them, they will look hard and it will shrink as well. So you cook it for less than 5 minutes. Now I'll be adding in the okra. If you look too close, you will notice I didn't really chop my okra to be tiny. This is the way I love my seafood okra. I won't be cooking this for too long because I love the crunch. So I've allowed my okra to boil for 5 minutes. I'll be adding in the vegetable. You can use any type of vegetable. So the vegetable shouldn't be much, just to garnish the soup. After you've added that, you stir. So this seafood okra is already cooked. If you want to add palm oil, this is the stage you can do so. But because we are preparing oilless okra soup, so this is where I'm going to end my cooking. I love this consistency. Already it's looking yummy and tastes so good. The aroma is all over the kitchen, so I'm going to put off heat and serve my okra soup. Healthy and delicious seafood okra soup. Just look at the way it is. It looks so delicious and yummy. I wish you can test it over here. This was a simple and a healthy way to prepare okra soup. I hope you try this out. For this okra soup, I'm already pairing mine with eba. You can decide to pair this with semolina or with pounded yam. So do remember to press the subscribe button, like this video, and comment on this video as well. You can leave me some comments on the comment section. I'll attend to all your questions. Stay tuned and have a wonderful day.